Hi everyone, just making this quick video in support of a question that came up where students had actually created this massive world in Minecraft and they wanted to export it, but there are some limitations with the size that we can export things. So just going to show you a quick tool that we can actually export a bunch of models and then piece them together inside another program. So here I've got a building that's been created by students, and I'm going to just very quickly export that. You'll see that on the size section, the maximum number that you can export to is 64, 64, 64. So I'll just export this particular pieces, and you'll get the idea of how to piece it together regardless of the fact that I've gone for something smaller. So I'm going to export what I've called here part A, and I'm just going to put that on my desktop. And to keep things real quick and easy, I'm just going to maybe invert and do a minus 25 to export what is the other side of that particular building. So I'm just going to go ahead and grab that, and I might call that part B. So if you've got a world that you really want to export to put into PowerPoint as a big object, you really just need to go ahead and export bits and pieces bit by bit. And so I will click on export in part B. So the next part of the process is piecing them together. So if I now exit out of my Minecraft, I'm going to launch and open Paint 3D. And I'll click on new. From that point, I need to click on insert. So I'm going to insert, and part A and part B were on my desktop. So I'll bring in part A, and that's going to plump what was the hall area. And you can see that I've got the ability to spin that around. I happen to know that's my front. I'm then going to go to insert, and let's bring in part B. And again, just using the orientation, I'll spin that around and place that side by side. Now, one of the things you'll need to do is click on this option here, which is the the Z axis position. When I click on that, you'll see that this particular image or the building is not side by side as it's supposed to be. So I can now click and drag and move that particular model so that it is sitting side by side. And at that point here, I can say save as, and I'm going to save the file as a building merge and have that building together. And then the final step in that process is to click on PowerPoint and click on blank presentation, and I will go to insert 3D model from file, and I'll see my building merge option appear. And now I have my my building all together in one piece, and that is how we can join multiple exports together and bring them into PowerPoint. All right, hope that helps, and good luck with that. Any questions, be in touch.